Hi guys, this is Miss Evans here. We're going to talk today about discount, sales price, tax, and tip. When we're talking discount is subtracted from your cost. So as a reminder, discount is when an item is on sale and the store is selling the item for less. So this is called a discount. The sale price is what you would get when you subtract the discount from the original price, and that gives you what we call the sale price. So if we are trying to find the amount of discount, let's take a look at an example here. It says on here that the store sells a shirt for $24.95 and they have it on sale for 25% off, and we want to know how much is the discount. Hopefully we remember there's two ways we can do this. One, we can set up a proportion, or the other is we can multiply by the percent. So here's your two options here. We know from the last video, part over whole equals percent over 100. So in this case, we do not know the part because that would be your discount. We know that the whole is $24.95. We know the percent goes here, and that 100 is always going to be in this bottom right position. Another way we could do this is the $24.95 simply times the 25%. That's basically what we're doing over here because we know that 25% is always out of 100. Either way you solve that will work and get you the same answer. So in this case, the discount is $6.24. So we know how much they're going to save. So now sometimes they ask us what is the price after the discount, which we again call the sale price. So in this particular problem, we would need to subtract. So we go back to our original amount, which is $24.95. We subtract $6.24 from that, and that gives us our sale price, which is $18.71. There's another one for you. I'd like you to pause and try this on your own. A store sells a pair of shoes at a price of $37.50 and a discount of 10%. What is the amount of the discount? I'd love if you were able to do that in your head because we know that 10% is simply shifting that decimal place over one time to the left. But if you need to set that up as a proportion, that is totally okay. Please pause the video and do that now. So here we are. Here's our two ways we can set this up. We have x over 3750 because, again, we do not know the part. That always goes over the percent, which is 10, always over 100. So that would give you one way of solving that. The other is you can simply do the times the 10%. Either way, you should get the same answer, which is going to be $3.75. That is the amount of discount. So if we want to find the sale price again with discount, we must subtract. So we'll do $37.50 minus $3.75, which would give us a sales price of $33.75. Anytime you're dealing with discount, your total at the end should be less than you started with. If it is more, that's a good indication that you have done something incorrect. So here's another one. Find the amount of discount. Is a $36 book is on sale for $27. What is the amount of discount? In this one, we know different information. We know the part, we know the whole, but in this case, we don't know the percent. But we always know that bottom right position is going to be 100. I'd love for you to pause and to write that proportion down now. Once you solve that proportion, you should get $9. It wants you to find the percent of discount here. Oh, sorry, that's the amount of discount. Now it wants you to find the percent, which is what we just talked about. And that would have given you 25%. Tax. When we're dealing with tax is different from discount. Tax is going to be added to the cost. So if you have a coat that is on sale for $76 and the tax is 8%, what is the amount of tax? I love percent proportion because you can use it for discount, you can use it for tax, you can use it for tip, you can use it for commission. All of those things you can use the same setup for. So in this case, it's on sale for $76. We know that that is the whole. We don't know the part. We know the percent is 8 over 100. So we can set that up, or we can again take 76 and we can multiply that by 8%. That would give us as a discount of $6.08. This time with tax, the catch is, and the way people get stumped here, is they often want to subtract, but tax has to be added. We cannot forget that. So in this case, we should do 76 plus $6.08. which would give us a total of $82.08. Tip is a fee that is paid for a service. Some of the people you might pay a tip to would include waiters, hairstylists, cab drivers, bellhops, or anyone who provides service. Tip is calculated just like tax. And again, tip is going to be added to your cost. So we're talking about some food here because we love food. If you and your family went out to Hops for dinner and the meal cost $55 and you left a 20% tip, how much tip would you leave? Once again, you have two options. You can set up the formula, part over whole equals percent over 100, or you can simply multiply $55 times 20%. If you do that, that should give you $11. So the tip you're going to leave is $11. The next question wants to know what the cost of the entire meal would be. So again, with tip, we're going to add to the cost. So in this case, we would need to do 55 plus $11, which would give us a total of $66. Discount, sales price, and tax here. So we're going to do some combo stuff. A pair of shoes are on sale for 15% off the original price of $135. So it wants you to first find the discount, and then it wants you to find the sales tax. And so it wants you to find the discount and the sale price, and then it wants you to pause and find the tax and the total with the tax. So if you would pause the video and do that now. The discount for the shoes would be $20.25. Again, discount is subtracted. So we're going to take the original price, which was $135, and subtract the discount of $20.25, which would give us $114.75. That is your sales price. Now you've got to do your tax. With tax, hopefully you remember that you add the tax. So once you do that, your tax would be $7.46. We go back to the sales price, which is $114.75, and add the tax to that, which would give us a total of $122.21. I guess I should say $122.21 so that no one corrects me. That's it for that. Hope you have a great day.